Here are 4 news updates from the world of the crypto industry. First, news. Ethereum's rise to $4,000 depends on 3 factors. Nick Forster, founder of the Derive platform and a former Wall Street trader, noted that Ethereum is currently under pressure due to the lack of strong indicators to boost the coin's value. According to the analyst, the launch of spot ETH ETFs has drawn some attention from Wall Street traders, but this new product faces competition from more profitable tech company stocks. Forster believes that Ethereum has a chance to surpass its all-time high of $4,878 by the end of the year, although the odds are slim. He points to 3 factors that could influence the cryptocurrency's price. The first and most significant factor, in his view, is the victory of the Republican candidate Donald Trump in the upcoming U.S. presidential election on November 4th. Forster predicts a sharp spike in volatility on election day, with Ethereum's price potentially jumping by 10 to 15%. The second factor is aggressive interest rate cuts by the U.S. Federal Reserve to increase market liquidity. The third factor is the broad growth of global financial liquidity. Any of these factors could push Ethereum's price out of the stagnation it has been in for a long time, according to Nick Forster. Second, news. Crypto market liquidations exceed $314 million amid Bitcoin's drop to $52,500. On the night of September 7, 2024, Bitcoin's price dropped to $52,500. Over the course of 24 hours, the asset's price fell by 3.7%. As a result, the volume of futures liquidations in the cryptocurrency market exceeded $314 million within 24 hours. In the last 24 hours, 86,002 traders' positions were liquidated. About $218 million in losses were from long positions, while more than $95 million came from short positions. The dominant assets were Bitcoin and Ethereum, with positions involving these cryptocurrencies liquidating at around $123 million and $75 million, respectively. The largest amounts of liquidations were, as usual, on cryptocurrency exchanges OKX and Binance, $118.70 million and $112.07 million, respectively. The largest single liquidation of $13.50 million was recorded on the HTX exchange in the BTC/USD trading pair. Third, news. Expert assesses the reliability of the Ethereum Foundation's financial cushion. The Ethereum Foundation has enough funds to operate for approximately 10 years based on the current ETH price, according to Ethereum researcher Justin Drake. During an AMA session on Reddit, Drake revealed that the Switzerland-based non-profit organization will soon release a financial report. The EF's main wallet holds digital assets valued at around $650 million. According to Drake, there is also a fiat buffer that covers a couple of years, though he admits to not being fully informed about that part of the treasury. The foundation's annual expenses are approximately $100 million, as cited by EF's executive director, Aya Miyaguchi. The rough budget strategy is to spend 15% of the remaining funds each year. This implies that EF could continue indefinitely, gradually shrinking as part of the ecosystem, commented Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. The community's focus on EF's financial policy was prompted by a transfer of 35,000 ETH, $94 million at the time, to the Kraken exchange in August, which was the foundation's largest transaction in months. Ecosystem participants have called for more transparency from the foundation's leadership. Some criticized the sale of assets in the current market conditions, while others found it offensive that they learned about such significant fund movements through bot notifications on X, formerly Twitter. This year, there was a long period when we were advised not to engage in any treasury activity due to regulatory complexities, and we couldn't share the plan in advance. Additionally, this transaction doesn't equal a sale. From now on, they will be planned and gradual, Miyaguchi responded at the time. According to CoinGecko, ETH prices have fallen by 13% in the last 2 weeks. The coin is trading around $2,325. Fourth, news. Japanese banks to begin using stablecoins for transfers. Japan's three largest banks MUFG, SMBC, and Mizuho are set to test a platform for cross-border stablecoin transfers as part of an initiative called Project PAX. Three blockchain companies, Progmat, DataChain, and Toki, will also participate. According to the press release, the global remittance market reached $182 trillion in 2022. However, the G20 group identified four critical areas: cost, speed, access, and transparency that require significant improvement. To address these issues, stablecoins are expected to be used. The Project PAX cross-border platform will utilize the existing SWIFT API structure for banks, while the blockchain company Progmat will handle settlements across various blockchains. This allows financial institutions to avoid difficulties with fiat currency transfers and minimize investment costs, the press release stated. The initiative aims to expand cooperation with more countries and financial institutions, with plans to commercialize the platform by 2025. The press release also mentioned that the new platform complies with legal standards and considers accounting and tax aspects. Additionally, stablecoins can be denominated in major fiat currencies such as the Japanese yen, the US dollar, and the euro.